Hi, I'm Anne Cave and I'm the Director of the Adult Community Education Program at Selwyn College. And today we are hosting an event that has been very kindly supported by ACE Aotearoa. So people often ask me why I do my job, and it's because it is such a privilege to be able to offer people the things that we offer. To see people coming in, they might be wondering what the hell they're doing, coming to do a course, and they walk out with a completely different feeling about life, about themselves, about their well-being. So this is why I love the job that I do.
My name's Melanie and I am actually from the South Island. So when I first moved to Auckland, it was kind of hard to meet new people, and going to these sort of classes was an amazing way to just meet people and just take a bit of a chill out. You're not trying to solve all the problems, you're not trying to satisfy other people's needs or desires, you're just being you.
Kia ora, I'm Kat. I'm a creative arts therapist. I have been invited today to speak on behalf of Selwyn Community Education about the benefits of art and mental well-being. The team here at Selwyn are doing an amazing job of creating community and connection between people. They bring people together from multiple diverse backgrounds for groups in community education, using the arts and other areas.
Hi, I'm Karen. I'm a pattern maker by trade, and I have worked in the fashion industry for about the last 30 years. I find the value in teaching people how to sew and pattern make, yeah. I love my classes here, yeah. Love teaching people to sew.
Hi, my name is Jie Hua. I work in Auckland Libraries and Takapuna Library. What I'm teaching here is the book of art. While I work in the libraries, and I came across lots of old books, they just supposed to be thrown away. And I thought they're such a nice books, and we need to do something. So that's how I started the book folding art.
Kia ora. This is Hannah, and we're here at Selwyn College today on a Sunday to celebrate the Festival of Adult Learning, Ahore Akonga. Selwyn College offers a really strong adult and community education program, and they've been around for many years. The beauty of having a strong program is it's really reliant on having an amazing leader behind it that supports and coordinates the programs, and Anne Cave does just that. Great work, and congratulations, and we're so privileged to be a part of your celebration today.